RagaMuffin kittens that are 10 to 11 weeks old. This is Lolly. She is a Cece and Fudgie kitten. Lolly will be going to Country Muffins. The red and white boy here is Tigger. Tigger will be going to Cindy. Hey, Tigger. This boy on the right a little bit is Necco Wafer. And Necco Wafer will be going to live with Jean. And this girl is a different litter. She's just a little bit older. She's a meringue and Fudgie kitten, Bitahoney, and Bitahoney will be staying right here. Hi, Bitahoney. Here's Lolly again. And here's Tigger. Hi, Tigger. And here is Necco Wafer. And here is Bitahoney. Till next time.